Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us for this video today. Now, this is going to be a really short video. We're just going to read the manual, and then we're not going to talk about it a lot because we're dealing with classes and exceptions. And we haven't talked about classes yet. But guess what? As soon as we're done with these exceptions videos, we're going to do a whole 7 or 8 videos about classes. Okay? And that's when this is going to become important, because right now we're going to read it and it's not going to make sense, and there's no really way that I can do an example to show you, at least not now. But when we start on the classes, then we can revisit this. Okay? But for right now, all we're going to do is read it. And with that, let's knock this out.
Python TV53. User-defined exceptions. Programs may name their own exceptions by creating a new exception class. See classes for more about Python classes. Exceptions should typically be derived from the exception class either directly or indirectly. Exception classes can be defined which do anything any other class can do, but are usually kept simple, often only offering a number of attributes that allow information about the error to be extracted by handlers for the exception.
Okay, handlers. Handlers are internal stuff that contains information about the exception. Okay, it's kind of like a variable, but it's specific to the event.
When creating a module that can raise several distinct errors, a common practice is to create a base class for exceptions defined by that module, and subclass that to create specific exception classes for different error conditions.
All right. Hopefully, if that doesn't make sense right now, it will in about 4 or 5 more videos. And here's the general syntax of a class. Okay. All right. And when we do the classes, we'll talk about all this more. But right now, what I've done is I've highlighted where the error statement is. Okay. So that you can see. So it sticks out at you. And now let's just get this last little bit, and then we're done for this video.
Most exceptions are defined with names that end in error, similar to the naming of the standard exceptions. Many standard modules define their own exceptions to report errors that may occur in functions they define. More information on classes is presented in chapter classes.
And that's exactly what we're going to be doing in a couple of videos. All right? All right. With that, enjoy your day, have fun, and talk to you in the next video.